Windscreens, a rather vital part of any vehicle, and one which has to be perfect at all times. When things go wrong with them, they need sorting immediately, expertly and professionally. Since 1994, Windscreen Services of Essex have been providing outstanding service to domestic and commercial customers across the county. From repairs to small chips to complete replacements, Windscreen Services of Essex do it all. And they're not just there for the times when things go wrong. They're also industry leaders when it comes to tinted windows for an entire vehicle, with side glass and heated rear windows available too. All of the company's dedicated professionals are qualified to ATA and PAS 125 standard at NVQ Level 2, so you can be assured of a superb job no matter what you take your vehicle to them for. With a 1-year guarantee on all work and excellent value for money across the board, make Windscreen Services of Essex your #1 choice.